Hello guys, welcome to you all in this video. Here you are looking that I have a ESP01 module in my hand. In my previous video I have shown that how to program this module using this ESP01 programmer. But today I will show you how to program this ESP01 module without this programmer. We will use our Arduino as a programmer to program our ESP01 module. Here at first we are looking that I have connected the extension board of ESP01. Now I am putting the ESP01 module in my breadboard. I have already connected 3 pins. The ground has already connected to the ground pin of my breadboard. The 3.3 volt pin has already connected with the VCC of my breadboard, and the chip enable pin of my ESP01 has also connected to the VCC pin of my breadboard. Now I will connect this ESP01 module with my Arduino Uno. At first I will connect the TX and RX pin. Look carefully. I will connect the RX pin of my Arduino with the RX pin of ESP01 module, and the TX pin of the Arduino will be connected to the TX pin of my ESP01. Now I will give power. The ground pin of the Arduino Uno will goes to the ground pin of my breadboard, and for VCC I will connect the wire with 3.3 volt pin of our Arduino, because we know that the ESP01 module needs only 3.3 volt for powering. So that I have connected the VCC pin of my breadboard with the 3.3 volt pin of my Arduino Uno. Okay. Now I will put a LED with the GPIO 2 pin, and we will upload a code into this ESP01 module to blink the LED which I have connected with the GPIO 2 pin of my Arduino. But before programming we must need to connect the GPIO 0 pin with the ground of our breadboard. If we don't do this, our module will not go to the programming mode and the program will not upload to this ESP01. So that you must need to connect the GPIO 0 pin with ground. Now I will connect the USB cable with Arduino, and the other terminal will goes to my computer. Here I have just write a simple program to blink the LED which I have connected on GPIO 2 pin of my ESP01 module. Now click on select board and go to select others board and ports. Here we are looking that COM4 is the USB device. This is our Arduino which we have connected via USB. Select this port. In board section search generic ESP8266 and select this as a board. Now click on OK. Okay. Now just click on upload button. The code is now compiling. After successful compilation, the code will be uploaded to our ESP01 module. Now the code is uploading. Okay, upload done. Okay guys, here we have successfully uploaded the program to our ESP01 module, but the LED is not blinking because after uploading the program to ESP01 we must need to reset this module. Okay, now I will reset this module. At first we need to remove the cable which we have used to connect the GPIO 0 pin with ground. I have removed the cable. Now just remove the VCC pin from breadboard and connect it again. the ESP01 module will be reset. Okay, now we are looking that the LED is blinking. It means that our program is successfully uploaded to our ESP01 module. Okay guys, I hope all of you understand how to upload a program to the ESP01 module using Arduino. If you have any question about this video, please feel free to comment, and if you like this video, please subscribe my channel. In my next video, I will try to make something interesting using the ESP01 module. Till then, stay happy, stay safe.